So, I feel like it has been a damn minute since I filmed a video. This is gonna bother me. Okay, so Kitty is playing with his mouse, and there's just no stopping him, so you guys are probably gonna hear him in the background. But today I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's themed makeup look. I honestly have been feeling really inspired to do Valentine's makeup lately. I don't really know why. But I thought that I would try to get a little more artistic than usual. It's just pretty much my plan for today's makeup though. I want to play around with doing a lot of blush and then playing with some graphic liner. So that's going to be kind of the theme. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. So I'm just going to start off with my e.l.f. hydrating primer. You guys already know the deal. Yeah. I'm going to try to use up the very last of this Milani foundation that I have. I want something pretty high coverage since this is going to be more of an artistic look, so I'm just going to apply that straight onto my face. I'm going to kind of move that around with my fingers a little bit because this stuff is really hard to blend because it's so thick. And then I'm just going to continue to buff that out and get that all over evenly with this blending brush from e.l.f. And then, as always, I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender to make sure that it's, nice and seamless. Honestly, I always love the coverage that this foundation gives me, especially for being drugstore. It's actually really fucking decent. It is really good, though. It covers up my redness pretty well and just gives me, a good, just, base of skin tone instead of the uneven ass shit that I have that no foundation can cover up. Oh my god, he's vicious. So then I'm gonna go in with concealer, and you guys, I am so close to being out of this. Do you see that? I really need to go buy some Shape Tape, although I did hear in Nikki Tutorial's latest video, she was saying something about how the Shape Tape kind of rubs off when you set it with powder, which kind of concerns me because I always set my concealer with powder pretty heavily because I feel that helps with the coverage of it and so that it doesn't crease. So I'm a little bit nervous about doing the Shape Tape, so please let me know of some really full coverage concealers because I have a really hard time finding a good one, especially drugstore. It is the perfect cloudy day today, you guys, and I feel my lighting is so good today. I wish every day was like this. I fucking love rainy and cloudy days. They are my absolute favorite. And then I'm setting my concealer with this Maybelline, I think, loose powder. This stuff is really good, honestly, and it really helps to actually brighten up my under eyes. And I mean, I kind of do a mix of baking and just setting because I use a really good amount of powder, honestly, but I don't think it's necessarily full on baking though. I've been listening to music all day, and it's honestly so weird to not have music on right now. I'm what the fuck is going on? Okay. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with some mattifying powder because I honestly just completely forgot to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows now, I think. Okay, so now my eyebrows are done. Oh yeah, they look pretty good. So, I'm gonna dip into my Sweet Peach palette and kind of bump into just Peachy and Candied Peach to do blush. And I'm really gonna do this on the bridge of my nose and kind of fade it out because I want to get that really blushy look right in the center of my face. For my eyes, and what I really even started this whole look thinking about was this red eyeliner, and I don't even know where to go with this, honestly. I can't decide what look exactly that I should go for is, but I'm gonna just put a little bit of Candied Peach on the outer corners of my eyes just because I want to have some sort of color. They don't look super good without any color on them. Okay, now I'm taking a little bit of Summer Yum on this really small brush and just kind of packing it in right on the outer corner of my eyes to give a little bit more depth and to just put a little bit more color in there. And I'm taking just Peachy and blending that out more so like in my crease and just making sure that there's no like harsh lines at all. And I'm going to take some of Candied Peach and just Peachy mixed and put that right along my lower lash line just a little bit too. And I'm going to take this big fluffy brush with a little bit of Georgia on it and just blend all of that out. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with eyeliner now. I was originally thinking of doing like a cut crease type of deal, but I honestly suck at that. So I think what I'm going to do is just do like some really bold red winged liner, and then I'm going to do some little like heart freckles along where I did the blush. Probably going to look stupid, but... Okay, so while my eyeliner is drying, I'm going to go ahead and do some of these little heart freckles on my face. I have no idea how this is going to go, but we'll just have to see. So I probably just sped through that part because I literally didn't talk about any of it, but I just did a couple of hearts on each side and then just drew in a whole bunch of little freckles around that. It looks a little crazy right now, but I think once I add mascara and then some lashes, it'll all start to kind of come together. Okay, and another thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add like a lot of mascara onto my lower lashes so that it kind of gives me more of like that like doll eye effect, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm back. I grabbed some lashes and I am borrowing some of my mom's lipstick that I think is going to match this color the best, because I want to do like this color just right in the center of my lips and then just kind of blend it out, which I think I'm going to go ahead and just do completely off camera because it takes me a long time and it would be really boring for you guys to watch. So I will be back as soon as I get my lashes on and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do with my lips. Okay, so my lashes are on, and I think it's like really starting to come together now. It kind of covered up the red eyeliner quite a bit, but it still pokes out on the sides, as you can see, like where the wing is. So, I'm doing my first attempt at like a gradient type of lip. So, now what I'm going to do is with my finger just kind of smudge this out. Okay, so that's my gradient lip. Now what I'm going to do is put a shit ton of gloss over that. So now what I'm going to do is try to fix my hair a little bit, because, I mean, look at this, like, what I'm going to do is leave my hair natural, and I'm just going to, like, twist my bangs back. This is my finished makeup look. I don't know how much I really love the hearts on my cheeks. I think that they're a little bit, like, cheesy, but honestly, it is really cute though. But so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like it. Obviously, this is not like the most wearable thing for Valentine's Day, so if you want a more wearable look, I would maybe go to the one before this. I'm gonna go and take some selfies. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel with the notification bell on so that you can see whenever I upload. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.